Minibuds TV. Let's learn, laugh, and grow together. It was the last day of the year, and the Minibuds were super excited for the New Year celebration party at school. Wow! Look at all the shiny decorations! And the big banner says, "Hey, JP New Year!" Everything looks magical.
And I brought star cookies.
Welcome, children. Today we celebrate a brand new year of fun, friendship, and learning. Today we will have a welcome song, fun games, New Year wishes, and the big countdown.
Yay! Welcome, welcome, New Year bright. Fill our days with joy and light. Learning, laughing, friends so near. Happy, happy brand new year.
The Minibuds help decorate the hall together.
Teamwork makes the dream work. That's right. Let's share our New Year wishes.
I wish to help my friends more. I wish to be brave and try new things.
Let's share our New Year wishes.
I wish to learn something new
Every day.
I wish for more cookies and more hugs. Say something kind to a friend. Say something kind to a friend.
Mimi always shares crayons.
Thank you.
Say something kind to a friend.
Star, heart.
Heart, moon.
Sharing snacks makes them taste better.
Kindness is the best treat of all.
It's time for the New Year countdown. 10 little stars up in the sky, shining bright and floating high. Count. A new year means new smiles, new lessons, and new kindness.
Let's promise to be kind every day. New year, new dreams, new sunshine beams. We'll laugh, we'll play, with friends so dear. We start the year. Happy New Year to you.
And so the Minibuds began a bright, happy new year together.
Like, share, subscribe for